Wagwan people, you don't know your boy Jnel. Alright, so that video here, I've explained to all of the people and we ask like, Jnel, what you use for the trick question, what you use on the road, isn't it? Because some people think me use phone, some people think me use, I don't even know what to say, isn't it? But some people think me use like phone and them type of thing there. You understand? So in this video, I'll be explaining what me use, isn't me, and what it for. So basically right here we have 4 items right here. Isn't me? I'm not familiar with this. Well, everybody familiar with this. Isn't me? These are the trick question mic. Well, more they call it trick question mic, but the Jnel comedy mic. Isn't it? Because you know it have the logo on it and such. But most people know it from trick question, so I say the trick question mic. Isn't me? And next we have the camera. So this is the camera I use on the road. A lot of people like always want to know like which camera you use. How the quality is so clean. What you use? You use a phone or you use a camera? Well, answer is you use a camera. So I'll give you a more detailed look on this. You see me? So we're gonna just move on to the next item for now. So this is the Sony. Hold on, I'm reading this first. Sony UHF synthesized diversity tuner. You see me? So this, the cameraman in charge of this. For plug in the camera. As I say, I'm going to show you more details. And yeah, so I'm going to move on to the next item, which is the headphone. So whosoever work this, I have to work the headphone. You understand? So the cameraman have to work this, and that. For all the people who think smutty, when I say work, I mean like that work there. I mean like them have to have it. You get to me I say? Alright, so let me start the explaining now. So the Jnel comedy mic. So this is, alright, let me explain this. This is just the mic by itself where it come with the Sony. So bear in mind, them here come together. You see me? And this come together. So this mic actually come with Sony. Wait, I'm not sure. Let me see EV on it. You see me? So I don't know if we don't know like what company for the company that. And the name of this mic is EVRE50B. You understand? So yeah. And this is the little muff for the mic. You know, like when you're on the road, the place like more likely be windy. So we use this for like, you know, back off some of the wind. This is like a condom basically. You don't know what I mean? But this is like the protector of the wind, where it protect the mic from the wind. So it's like a condom basically. Because the same thing you just slip on and then roll. And I go to in depth into that still, but yeah. So this now, I don't remember what this name again. Honestly, I don't remember what this name. Honestly, I don't remember. Like I should have remember, but I don't remember. I forgot ask the lady I used to work with. My name Timba. Is me big up Timba Khalifi. Khalifi or Kafili? I think a Kafili. Big up Timba Kafili. Yo, the last name that I have to pronounce from them time there. You get to me I say, and I'm not gonna try in a 2021. You see me? So this, look on this like this, you know, just like that. And the reason why I even get a red muff is because the red in the thing, it got more popping. Like me have a black one I could have used, but black I got too plain. You get to me I say, so the mic actually stand out when you see it on the screen. And it actually match with the J from the Jnel comedy. You see me? So now that I explain this, so I'm gonna explain this now. So this is used to connect to this mic right under here. You connect it and you just switch it on. I mean everything set up from this already, so I'm not have to really go too in depth. You see me? So these are the UHF synthesized transmitter UTXP1. So if you want to look it up online, you can go online and find this. You see me? So this, you know, use on this. Just like that. Wagwan people, you don't know your boy Jnel. Yeah, just like that. Alright, so this now is the tuner, which we use this to tune the levels on the mic. So if me attack and the levels too high, then we use this to like turn it down back. You understand? So this, so basically this send the audio to this. You understand? And then this would have plug in the camera like so. Yeah, so this send the audio to this, and then the audio go through the wire, go into the camera. You understand? So when me I edit and stuff, me not feel like sync the audio because that gonna take like an extra hour to sync. I know people have like easier way to sync like audios in Premiere Pro or whatsoever editing software you use, but for me, I don't like feel like, you know, I sync audio because without syncing the audio, alright, for each 3 question episode I edit, we take up to 5 hours or 6 hours. Is me depending upon how much people we get interview. You understand? So like say for instance reaching like 7, and if I start edit like 7:30, me not dead. Whoa. Me not done till about 1 o'clock. Trust me. People, 3 question, it not easy. None at all. Like it take a whole heap, especially on the road when the sun are burn. Well, me not me not go in depth with the details still. I might make a next video for that. You understand? So yeah, so basically this and this go together. You understand? So this send the signal to this and this send the signal to the camera. Yeah. So basically like how this explain them here, I move to the camera. So the camera I use is a Panasonic Lumix G7. I almost said G7X, but the reason I almost said that is because I have a Canon G7X when I did get for vlog. You see me? So I think this is the Panasonic Lumix G7. So it's a pretty nice camera. As I say, when I go see like on the screen, it's a pretty nice camera. You know, on the front it have the logo on the lens also, and the front have a little rubbery feel. You see me? When I like it really nice for like grip the camera. So you're not gonna be able to drop out the hand that easy. So if you not use the thing where you attach to the camera and put it around the neck, then you're safe. You see me? And it also have a flip out screen where you can turn the screen front, you can turn it back. So if you have video yourself, you can actually turn the screen so you can see yourself. So when me I vlog, what I do basically, I turn the screen to the front and make sure I look in at the lens. Because I see a lot of people that upload video when them look right like pan themselves. You understand? When you have video, you're supposed to look in at the camera lens so it look like you look on the audience we watch. You see me? A little tips there for and also have like I don't know what you call this, for the viewfinder or whatsoever. Well, basically when they put their face pan right there, so you know it have a little rubbery feel on it. So when they put the face right there, so it actually lock off like the camera screen so you can see through right here. You understand? And it's a pretty nice camera. I mean, I'm not nothing bad to say about it, but if you want to know, wait till the truck pass. I don't have nothing bad to say about it. Yeah, so as I was saying, if you want to know what I'm shooting at when I'm on the road, I'm shooting at 1080 30 frames. One time I got 60 frames, but when I upload the video look too fake. I mean, people who have 4K TV and them type of TV, it look too fake. You understand? So I say, alright, I'm going to just turn it down a notch so it look realistic. You understand? So this is the Panasonic G7X, which is, it also have Wi-Fi, 4K, and you see micro on it. You see me? But when I say Wi-Fi, I know how to do things say, you can pick up Wi-Fi from this. If you use go on the internet and on WhatsApp and Instagram, go post picture and something there. The Wi-Fi is actually if your phone connect to the camera so you can see, you can control the camera from your phone. You understand? So yeah, basically it have a jack thing, it have a thing there if you want to go in a 4K, if you want to go on time lapse, anything like that. And it also have a lot of mode on the top. So I'm going to put shots in the video where you can go on manual, blah blah blah, portrait, this and that. But me shooting at the S. I don't know what the S mean, but I'm shooting at the S. I find out say I get a better picture or whatsoever when I shoot in a S. I can't shoot in a manual because I have to keep and fix up and I don't depend on that. So I just left it in the S and I hit that. You understand? So yeah. It's a pretty nice camera. I mean, how much we pay for it again? I think we pay $4.99 US at the time. So I don't know if because people are buying them more, if the price go up or the price go down. I don't know. I'm gonna check from that. But honestly, if I buy a next camera, I would buy one more of this just for like close up and stuff like that. Instead I may have to use the same camera for close up. But you don't know when you reach this, so we're going to cross that bridge there. And the other thing, forgot to explain this. So these are lavalier mics. I hope me I say it right. Lavalier mics where you itch it on your side and you run it up your shirt and you itch it on your ear so and you get good audio. When we use this a few times when me I do like the video when me da renovate my place. Using me, so yeah, it's a lavalier mic and it's pretty good. Pretty nice. One of them now work because I never buy the right frequency. But these are the two way I work. You understand? So it actually come with this, as you guys can see. And if you want to find them online, trust me, these are expensive online. I don't know why them so expensive, but them expensive because one of these are almost $100. US dollar, not Jamaican dollars. One of this is almost $100. People, trust me, like them things are expensive. So, and I think the reason why it's expensive is because the audio good. You understand? And it's professional. It's not like one of them cheap thing that were easy to get. Say if you forget all of them in one, you look on about 700 to 800 US dollar. Some are about that. Honestly, them expensive. So yeah, and one more thing I have to explain is the headphone. The headphone, they look kinda mash up and thing now and strippy. Well, I find out the headphone will come with them leather type of thing, always end up stripped. Like the girls them at the club type of vibe. You see me? So this headphone is a Samson headphone. Not Samsung like Samsung make phone, you know. Samson. SAMSON. Not SA. But if I go try to spell the Samsung, cause a long time I use like a Samsung phone from like 2018 or something about this so. Yeah. So basically when I get that headphone, if you're not interested to get one, when we get that one is if you're not interested to get one, I get this headphone at Music Mart. I don't know what to call this, about the road where 7th Avenue Plaza depend and the new plaza that across the road. I don't remember what the plaza name. But if you want one of these professional headphones, you should definitely get it. Samsung, I recommend this 100% because you get like good audio when shooting, when filming. So as we say, also if I shoot the trick question, them have to have this on them head and this on them waist and this on them waist and the camera. So when you see me in the streets, like it's a professional thing, and I understand that's why people always end up talking crap. You get to me and say, but big up everybody seeing me. I guess that's why people always like, trust me, people like text me on Instagram and stuff like that and be like, yo, I'm not afraid, I can answer your question with ease, blah blah blah. But as soon as I see the setup, it's a different vibe. Like nervous start kick. You understand? So yeah, and these are the go-to thing them. I mean, if me left any of them here, just call it say me get. You see me just say me get. Well, not really, cause when we just start out, me left this a couple times, well probably like 5-6 times, and me have to end up like buy one of them cheap headphones on the road and use it. Nothing wrong with it if you know your levels and stuff like that, and you set the levels from this, then you're good. You don't have to worry about nothing. You understand? So I end up leave this, but if I end up leave any one of these three, if I end up leave any one of these three, trust me, like if me there Ochi, Montego Bay or any one of them places, I have to go turn back. Because Jamaica not have them things where you can just walk in and go buy one. So if you have all the money in the world and you leave one of them and when you go shoot, just go back home and plan for your next day. You understand? And you know the camera not going to get left, never. But you might leave the camera battery. Well, that is why you should have more than one battery. But if you leave this, go home. If you leave this, go home. If you leave this where you have to have, just go home and go somebody else's yard. Honestly. You see me? So these are the go-to things when we use for trick questions. A lot of people ask in my DM, a lot of people ask under videos well, this video, I hope this video answer, you know, everything for you guys. So yeah, I think that's it for now. And look out for your trick question this weekend. Today is Wednesday. Right, today is Wednesday, right? Today is Wednesday. So look out for your trick question this weekend. And today is Wednesday. I'm gonna upload it on Wednesday. Today the 30. Today the 30. Yeah. So I'm gonna drop that video today, and make sure you guys look out for your trick question this weekend. And thank you guys for watching. You don't know your boy Jnel, and if you want to find links to like products, these products, it's not an affiliate link, so I'm not getting $1 off it or not fight. I will just put the links in the description, so you guys can go click it and go view the product and see how much it costs and stuff like that. So yeah, thanks for watching. You don't know your boy Jnel, and I'm out.